The primary idea of landscape design is to create a pleasant and livable outdoor spaces where the residents enjoy real pleasure of outdoor living and environmental quality, along with the spirit of togetherness, care, and share. Due to the limited tight green spaces, this project doesn't leave much space for a garden on the ground floor and upper level facilities area. We have maximizing the site's limited land area through an effective use of space and use large landscaping by introducing the series of garden rooms, green walls at facade, and green elevated deck. Green connectivity has been created at the podium facilities area with the different garden rooms to create an excitement and visual interest. These gardens are secret gardens, therapeutic gardens, hammock gardens, also function as a backyard retreat that offers privacy and relaxation. There are green wall designs covering 50% on the building's facade as a sustainability approach to climate change and reducing carbon footprint. 3-meter perimeter planting alongside boundary, creating space volume and noise reduction. One of the conspicuous features of the landscape area is an elevated new ground level, which adding more layers and depth to the outdoor spaces and optimizing the green spaces outdoor. It extended the recreational space to interlock various functions together, multiplied urban greenery in a tight space, make the green space appear larger, providing residents a good view, encourage social interaction, contributing to the overall sense of community.